Hi, I'm Mommy Mariliza. I'm here at Contour Slimming and Aesthetic Clinic here at Loyola Heights, Quezon City. Today, I'm going to do their 5D Diva Scalp for my arms and tummy. What are you waiting for? Book your appointment now and experience Contour Glow. Kita niyo to? Ang laki ng difference from fluffy to fab. Salamat sa 5D Diva Scalp. Time to say bye-bye sa taba. First, nilagyan ng cooling gel para smooth at relaxing ang treatment. This treatment is the next level with powerful technology. Radio frequency para i-tighten ang skin, vacuum therapy for contouring, LED light para mas firm, at microcurrent for a tone finish. Tapos na, parang nag-arm workout ng effortless. Mas slim, mas tone, at ang lambot pa ng skin. Gusto mo rin? Huwag ka na magpahuli. Book your appointment now here at Contour Slimming Aesthetic Clinic.